In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Salesforce account. Now, we're assuming that you've already registered for an account and are ready to start exploring the features that Salesforce has to offer. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open up your preferred web browser. You can use any browser that you find convenient, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another option entirely. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Salesforce login page. You can do this by typing Salesforce login into your search bar and selecting the appropriate link, or by going directly to Salesforce's official website. This will take you to where you can enter your login credentials. On the login page, you'll notice that Salesforce gives you the option to log in using either your email or your username. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use the email option. It's a straightforward and commonly used method. Go ahead and type your email address into the designated field. Make sure you double-check for any typos so that you don't run into issues later. Once you're confident that your email is entered correctly, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Now you should see a field where you're prompted to enter your password. Take a moment here to ensure your password is entered with precision. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so there's a difference between uppercase and lowercase letters. After you've typed in your password, all you need to do is click Login, and you'll be almost ready to access your Salesforce account. However, there is one more step for added security. Salesforce might ask you to verify your identity. This usually involves entering a code that Salesforce sends to your registered email. This additional layer of security helps keep your account protected from unauthorized access. With that in mind, check your email inbox for a message from Salesforce. It should contain a verification code needed to complete the login process. Once you've located the email, go ahead and type that code back into the field provided on the Salesforce login page. Finally, click Continue to conclude the login process. This will grant you access to your Salesforce account, and from there, you can start exploring all its functionalities or get back to work if you're an existing user. Using these steps, you can securely and efficiently log into your Salesforce account every time. Thanks for watching, and happy logging in.